Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: game version, DLC, required level, and 2 free inventory slots. Once done, travel directly to the NPC or area that yields the first katana and pick it up immediately. Don't grind unrelated mobs. Make sure you have the currency and a quick save point before engaging the drop conditions. This initial push sets up timing and respawn cycles, so follow these steps now to avoid wasting time later. Now you focus on obtaining the second katana. You will manipulate spawn timers and quest states, complete any prerequisite steps, then use logout/wait/reenter to reset the drop. This increases your chance for the second katana. Equip the first katana or move it to a safe slot so pickups don't merge or overwrite. Once you see the drop, prioritize picking it up quickly while managing weight and encumbrance, so you can carry both without penalties or losing progress. To finish, open your equipment menu and assign each katana to the appropriate hand or dual-wield slot. Confirm stat requirements and affinity so both function. Once equipped, test light and heavy attacks to ensure animations and damage scale correctly. If you don't get both katanas, repeat the respawn or quest manipulation cycle, check for inventory stacking, and disable mods or settings that alter drops. One key tip: clear temporary inventory.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.